Welcome to What If Breaking. So, unfortunately, I couldn't get the Marvel's Masterpieces 2022, so I decided to go with the What Ifs, only because they're more affordable. I couldn't spend $1,000 a box, so for the 2022 Marvel Masterpieces. So, here we go. It's the first my time opening these up, and we will get started. So we have the Watcher, we have Star-Lord, and Black Widow. They're all on the same packs, and let's start ripping. Okay, we have the Collector. I thought the Collector was pretty good. I thought he was had a lot of attitude. I thought in the show he was fantastic. The Ancient One, very nice. Ready to have a Black Widow numbered 353-888. Was quick. Acetate. Not a big fan of the acetates, but that's other people's cup of tea. Not a big fan. So we have the Collector acetate. I think these are a little bit better. You can see through them, but they give more of a scene in the background. This does not want to focus for some reason. There we go. Fantastic. Beautiful card. What if the Watcher broke his oath? And looking at the back of the Watcher's card, I didn't realize how powerful he was until I saw the show. I thought he was just watching people, but he is. He's pretty damn powerful. Captain Marvel. Bucky Barnes. Now, these are just screenshots from the TV show, from the Disney show. Iron Man, Infinity Ultron, which was awesome. I thought he was great. I was like, whoa, he's pretty dangerous. Post-apocalyptic Hawkeye, A16. Red Skull, and the Wasp. Seems like everyone gets the Wasp from what I've been looking at from other people's videos. I do like these 1992 flashback cards. Post-apocalyptic Black Widow. Very red. It's very nice. I think those are very, very cool. Well done cards. Thanos. See how powerful he really is. Durability, of course, is 6 out of 7. Intelligence is 5 out of 7. Fighting skills is 4 out of 7. So he's more of a brute than being a great fighter. Well, I guess one would be more of a brute, right? Let's see. What if Gamora, Doctor Strange, acetate. Then we have the Watcher broke his oath again. I guess that's the name of the show, right? What if? What if the Watcher broke his oath? So this is a clear-cut chapters and another Black Widow. Again, Wasp. Again, she's very popular. I don't know, everyone gets one of her. Loki, who I thought was pretty cool in the show. Pretty badass. Let's see. Vision. I think everyone gets one of those. Then we have Medallion, Okoye. These aren't numbered. I think somebody said it was one out of, you get 3 for each box. We have, I guess this was the end fight. I thought they would title these cards, but I guess not. Hank Pym. He was pretty badass too. Pretty spry for an old guy. Party Thor. I did not like that episode. Black Widow again. Feels a little thicker than the others. Zombie Hunter Spidey. Party Thor medallion. Another clear cut chapters. And then Captain Carter. The Collector. T'Challa. Star-Lord. I thought that was a pretty good mix-up. Captain Carter. Nick Fury. Very nice. Clear Cut, Ultron, and Gamora. Captain Marvel, The Watcher. Black Panther. And we have the fireworks card. I just want to zoom in. So that's nice. Different. I like the fireworks. Not numbered. Card number 23. Probably just a parallel from another card. The clear cut. And here's the regular parallel. The regular card, and here's the parallel. Yeah. Parallels to me are just, I don't want to say lazy, but I think it's lazy. Choose another image for Thanos. There are a lot more images out there from the show. You don't have to. I don't know. I have a thing for parallels. I have a thing for variant covers for comic books. But, that's just me. Zombie Hunter. Spidey. Captain Carter. Howard Stark. That's a nice one. Gamora, daughter of Thanos. Another sparkly one. But we have this is the parallel. We have the A card, another clear cut chapters, and Darcy Lewis. I actually don't remember Darcy Lewis in the show. I'm trying to remember. I don't really want to rewatch it again, but not important. All right. Doctor Strange. I like this one. Zombie Captain Marvel. The Zombie Captain America. Very cool. Always like the zombie scenario. Captain Carter. Let's see, superheroes, 1992. I'm not sure what they're calling this. Dimensions. This one's pretty cool. I've seen the gold ones. That one's pretty cool too. So that's a very nice card. Clear cut chapters of Ultron, and then Black Panther, Killmonger. Just going to go through these because they seem very repetitive. This cool picture of the Watcher. Wasp. Very cool. T'Challa, Star-Lord. And I'll try and do this a little bit better next time. But right now I need to stand. So this is the Watcher. Same card, just different. just it's a parallel. What can I say? And then here's the gold one, which I like a lot. I'm not much of a gold person, but I think this is nice. You know, it's gold border, silver inside, red outlining of the border. Yeah, very nice. I think that's probably one of the better cards. Oh, and it's number 2. So, what is that? 608 out of 688. It's a strange number, 688. I don't know why they chose to do those numbers. Then, you know, instead of 1999 or something like that. I don't know. Acetate, and then we have Ultron. Sorry, Infinity Ultron. Alright, so I was interrupted by a phone call. Continue. Alright, the ancient one. We have Darcy Lewis. Hank Pym. And then we have the Lenticular. These, I think, were, you know, C grade. I don't think they put much effort into this or put in all their technology into this, because this is something you get on a Trapper Keeper back in the day. You know, there's not much movement. But, okay. Yeah, maybe I'm just being too picky. I don't know. Clear Cut. Doctor Strange. All right. Steve Rogers. I like this one. It's, you know, intense. He's being intense. Yeah, he's looking into something cool. Snippet. Nick Fury. Infinity Ultron. Then you have this Infinity Soul. Well, let's look at this Iron Man. Just sitting on the thing, eating some donuts. He's probably not eating donuts. So this is metal. Not too sure. Infinity Soul. Infinity Ultron Soul. Ultron intended to destroy the multiverse. As telling the story. Alright, it's nice. It's got some weight to it. At least it's a different image. That's all I gotta say. So, I guess that's the hit of the box. Or maybe it's a case hit. I don't know. I'll have to look up the stats. Killmonger. Scott Lang. Doctor Strange. There's another Lenticular. Not doing much. You know, just side to side. Here's another director's chapter's cut. I usually don't buy movie cards, only for this reason, because first off, you've seen it. It's not original. They're just, you know, clips from the movie. And so, you know, the only effort they put into it is just the words on the card. There's another Captain Carter. I'm sorry, Black Widow. Not sure what those 3 differences is. Black Hawk. Same image. Then we have 42 out of 688 of the Vision. Then we have a clear cut. Clear cut chapters. And then post-apocalyptic Black Hawk. All right, so I had to go and do some research because I didn't know exactly what was what. So the what ifs the regular what if cards that say what if on it. All right, these are the original just what if cards. This was 37 cards for the whole box. Then we had the Captain Marvel. I mean, the regular ones that don't say what if. That I had 15 of. Okay. Then the next one with the most is the clear cuts that say what if. I'm not sure if these are parallels or not. I would have to double check. But this was 15 cards out of the whole box. Then we have the dimensions. There's one silver. Okay, which is, again, it's nice, but I looked it up, only a couple of dollars. Nothing, amazing. And then we have the Infinity Ultron. I think those are very nice. And then you have Red Skull. I'm sorry, Vision. These also they actually go just for a couple of dollars. Nothing fantastic. And then we have the acetates. I didn't look up the cost for those because I didn't think acetates aren't my thing. But Doctor Strange, there were 3 of these, so I guess there's 3 for each box. So they're nice. I like the art. Then we also have the Watcher's Sight, which we only got 2 of, which is fine because I don't think that is much to write home about. Okay. Then the fireworks, which I think are pretty cool, but they're just parallels. We only got 3 of. I do like them. Gamora, but they're parallels, so you're gonna get other cards like it. But again, I'm not a parallel guy. I get it for some people; they want to complete the rainbow, so on and so forth. Then we have the 3 medallions. I like these 2 with the silver background, but not a fan of the Party Thor. But Nick Fury is pretty cool. I wish he was just a little bit clearer, but maybe that's why he's supposed to be like the shadow operative person. I don't particularly like parallel cards. I know some people, like I said, some people do. But so we have the what if parallel card, original card. Then you have the lower count regular card. I don't know what all the odds are, so you guys can comment if you want. And then you have the what if numbered card, 353 out of 888. Again, they're all the same image. They're all, just Black Widow, same image. I think it's just laziness, but, stamping on numbers isn't lazy. But even so, I think it's, they could use different images. There's 1,000 images you could have used for each of these separate ones to number. And then the creme de la creme, because I had to look it up, but, supposedly this is a case hit. You have the Infinity Soul Ultron, which is a different image, thank goodness, because I looked up the price. It's a couple of $100. Somebody was asking for $367. One was asking for $130. Another one was $400. The one that sold went for $350 for best offer on eBay, but they could have gotten $300 or they could have gotten $200. I don't know. So obviously this is the case hit, which is nice, but I just. It's just a metal card, basically, like a metallurgy card. It's nice. It's nice. So I have 2 more boxes I'm going to open up. This card paid for those other 2 and this one. But maybe I'll sell it, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll grade it. So I don't know what I want to do yet. I have to check out the rarity. If it's 1 per case, that's pretty phenomenal. But, how many Infinity Ultra Souls are there of Ultron? How many are there? Different ones? You know, I'd have to check out, you know, the stats on all these metal cards. But other than that, here you go, and have a good day, and happy searching.